we have Dr. Ajay M. Kamble, who is presently working as a head at Knowledge Resource Center at Anna Sahib College of Arts, Kedarnath Malhotra College of Commerce, E.S. Andrad's College of Science, Vasai. He has done his MSc in Maths and Masters in Library Science and PhD in Library and Information Science. He has worked as a visiting faculty for teaching digital libraries papers at Masters in Library Science courses conducted by Department of Library and Information Science, University of Mumbai in the academic session 2020 to 21, and also as a research guide for PhD and Masters in Library Science in Department of Library and Information Science, University of Mumbai. He's worked as a visiting faculty and counselor for Masters in Library Science courses conducted by Department of Library and Information Science of LJNJ College and Hinduja College, Mumbai affiliated to YCMOU, Nasik during 2010 to 2017. He has also guided 19 students whom have also successfully completed their Masters in Library Science dissertations and project at YCMOU University, Nasik. He has done 32 research and conference papers to credit. Core subject of work and interest is ICT application and libraries. He has worked as an invitee member as a subject expert of Digital Resources Development Cell established by Directorate of Libraries, Government of Maharashtra for modernization and automation of the Directorate and its offices and libraries in Maharashtra. He has developed mobile apps, websites, and innovative tools. He started online forum for library professional entitled Indian Librarians Online Study Circle. He has delivered lectures in various capacity as keynote speaker, chairman, subject expert on IT applications in LIS, research writing, and other similar topics in various seminars, workshops, training courses, etc. He's organized at different colleges all over the India. Working on editorial body of Electronic International Interdisciplinary Research Journal, received the prestigious state-level Shikshak Ratna Award by Samata Sahitya Academy on 26 April 2013. He is the president and founder member of Association of Library and Information Professionals. He is also a life member of Indian Library Association, coordinator of Mumbai sectional council and founder, and life member of Maharashtra University and College Librarians Association. In Vidarbha Library Association, Society for Promotion of Library Professionals in Uttarakhand. So that's a very brief history about Dr. Ajay M. Kamble. So over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sidra.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we are going to discuss about how we are going to, or when we want to develop Google website or website with the help of Google Sites, how we are going to develop it, right? Hopefully you will respond to whatever questions I am asking in between. I'll not ask questions such, but maybe in between if you understand something or not. If you have any questions, you can note it down and you can ask me at the end. Okay? Or if you want to stop me in between, you can raise your hand. But at the end, it will be better. So, first of all, I would like to share the screen. Yeah. So myself, Dr. Ajay Kamble, as Sidra has introduced me. I am librarian at Anna Sahib College. And today we are going to discuss on creating a website using Google Sites. So it is my assumption that all of you must be having a Gmail account. Do you have?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So assuming that, we will proceed further. First of all, we will go through a website that I have designed in Google. Can you all see this? See the screen?
Yes, it's visible.
Visible. So this is the library website. This is the slider, and these are the various menus. Home, About Us, in About Us, sub-menus are there. Then Services, Collection, Search, Activities. Okay, so many pages are there in this website. So this website is being created with the help of Google site. Actually, my library's website is on Google site since 2006 or 7. Okay, so I'm using it since 2006 or 7. For the first time I have developed my library's website there only. Earlier it was the older version. Now the newer version has been launched by Google. So we are going to see how we can develop this type of website using Google site. Yesterday, while practicing on Google's new website, I have gone through some new features. I was practicing yesterday, and in that practice, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in this way, we can develop a website. This is a home page. Where various types of things you can include on the home page or the various pages that you are going to develop in your site. Okay, like we will start from somewhere. We will start first of all, what I'll do, I'll complete with the theory process. Then we will start developing a website. Okay, for that. Why a Google website is important? Why a website is important? Actually, not a Google, but why a website is important for someone? Nowadays, it is not that important because other medias or other social platforms are available, right? Like Facebook, Twitter, then WhatsApp,
Instagram,
you name
LinkedIn.
Instagram, and so on. So there are many platforms that are available today, but why a website is important? A website is important because whenever you want to, wherever you want to represent yourself and you want to remain that data static for everyone, because what happened whenever we are talking about WhatsApp, day to day the WhatsApp messages are changing. We are putting the current information only, right? But the basic information about yourself or whatever basic things, your hobbies, if an individual is there, then your hobbies or the things that are related to you, your academic qualifications, if we are talking about some individual, or some basic other things that are not going to change throughout life. If you want to share those with others, then at that time you can use your own website where you can put all the information there and you can make it available for others so that they will come to know about you. Or if some organization is there, then at that time A website is a representation of all the data that is related to that institute or that organization. So for that purpose, a website has its own place and it has to be there. Though other platforms are there, but the information on that platforms changes every time. Okay, here it will remain static. So mostly it is important because it enhances the credibility, expands the reach. You can reach more people. You will not be limited to some specific area, to some specific college, to some specific space. But what will happen to your website? You can expand yourself. You can reach more people. You can reach the world, right? And it is available 24 by 7 because a website remains available 24 by 7. On Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, or social platform, you will not be able to be there online for 24 by 7. But your website will remain available for people 24 by 7. Okay. And through that, what you can showcase your ideas, products, or services. So for that purpose, our introduction to the website ends here. And it is important. Why website is important? The most important part when you are creating a website, what are the requirements? The first requirement, basic computer knowledge. You must have basic computer knowledge and that everyone have. I will not say that some individual is there and he is not knowing how to handle a computer. So basic computer knowledge is important and that we have. Second thing is more important, a creative mind. Because yes, Preeti.
एकाच दिवशी आजीनाथाचं
Any query? Okay. A creative minds means basically in Google website, we can create a basic website. You can't add some more features. You can add, but it needs a creative mind. Means it needs your creativity. How much creativity you are using, how much tools you are using. Now, since 2008, I am using all the free tools that are available online. I am using this Google website. It is also free. I can use it free, and I'm including other tools also so that I can make it more dynamic. Do you know a difference between what is static and dynamic? There are two parts of website. Can anyone tell me?
Static is something which is constant, and dynamic is something which keep changes.
Okay. Then how we can apply these definitions to the website?
When new information is available, or anything regarding any scheme or regarding any policy, so the upgradation is required. So that could be considered as dynamic website to add the newly formed information or policies into the website.
So that will be
Or we can
dynamic.
say like website changes as per the locations of people's, like other people will see something else and someone else find something else. There are so many options in website.
No, I am talking just about static and dynamic one. What is static website and what is dynamic website? The answer that who has given, who was the first? The reply given by him
Prathamesh,
was
sir.
correct. Prathamesh. The reply given by you was correct. But when we are saying in terms of a website, then at that time, a website which has static information which is not going to change, like the information about an organization. When was the college or an institute established? Will the year change? No,
No.
the establishment year will never change. So that is a static information. It will remain as it is till the end of the website. Okay, which there is no end, but whenever the website is there, the establishment year of the institute will never change. That information is static information. So the pages that is having the static information, if the complete website is having the static information which is not going to change, then it is a static website. Okay, but when the information is going to change, means if a page named notice board is there, so notices, will they remain the same throughout? No,
No.
a new notice will come. Okay, every time a new notice will come and it will be replaced by the older one, right? So for that purpose, we have to upload that notice every time to our website. So where changes are being happening in the website, at that time we called it as a dynamic website. Okay, so with the help of Google site, we can create dynamic website also, and we can create static website also. But for that purpose, you need a creative mind. You have to use different tools there. Okay. Then the third requirement is information about the person or organization in soft form. Can anyone tell me what is this soft form? Okay.
Soft copies of
Yeah, soft copy, right. Soft copy, soft form. Soft copy means,
Digital copies.
yeah, in digital form. In digital form, whatever is typewriter, whatever we have typewritten or whatever we have scanned, means apart from print form. It should be scanned, either it should be scanned or it should be typewritten. Okay, so what we need, the third requirement, information about the thing on which we are going to create the website. So all the information should be there. Okay, then we need the related images. Related images means related images to the organization or the person on whom we are going to create the website or any event. Then logos. Logos are the important part because we have to share the logo on the home page itself. So for that purpose, we need the logo also. Then GIFs. If you have seen the website I have shown you, I have included two GIFs there. Okay, I'll show you later on also. And videos. If some videos are there, then this video should also be available with you. Okay. The next requirement, a Gmail account. I have already said that every one of you must be having your own Gmail account. And if you are having your Gmail account, then you can easily create website on Google Sites. Okay. But after that, and is being written. Okay. So there is something that is required apart from the things that are being written on this slide. And what is that and? We are going to see it now. A proper site map. Proper site map. What is this site map exactly? Site map means how you are going to represent your website. I'm giving you an example here. Like this is the site map of college website. Okay, on the college website, we need some main tabs like students, alumni, visit, about us. About us is everywhere. Academics and student life and so on. You may decide your tabs according to your requirement. Okay, but it should be created, or it should be designed, or it should be written somewhere or recorded somewhere earlier before developing your website. Okay, so a proper sitemap, what you are going to include what you are going to include in your website should be ready with you. Okay, the sub pages are also important in student. Regarding to student, what type of pages you are going to add for the students.
Incoming.
Then what type of things, what type of images, what type of sometimes we used to we put a gallery there, a photo gallery where all the photos are being shared. So whatever pages we think that they should be there in our website, they should be included in this sitemap and under proper tab. That is also important. Okay, so a proper sitemap. So now we are going back online now, and we are going to create a website. Okay, create a website, and we are going to see how we can create website in Google site. First step, when we are saying that we have to create a website, where we have to go, please note down this address. We have to go to sites, sites sites.google.com, and after logging in with your Google account, first you have to log in with your Google account, and after that you have to visit sites.google.com. Okay, yeah. So everyone can see my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, shall I start from login, or it will be okay if I already log in here? Shall I start? Okay, we will start from login. I am first login to my Gmail account. I have put the email address, and now I'm going to put the password. Yeah. After login to Gmail, we have to go to this 9 dots here. Okay. In here, when you are clicking here on these 9 dots, you can see a drive option there. Can you all see? Open your Google Drive. Why should we open the Google Drive? Because Google Drive plays an important part when you are developing a website in Google Sites. Okay, so you have to keep it open. So I have kept this Google Drive open, okay, aside. Now I am clicking on this plus, and I am going to open the new tab. Okay, and here I am going to type sites.google.com. Now here, when we come at sites.google.com, you can see that there are various types of menus available here. The sites that you have already developed will come at the bottom one here. Okay. And there is a plus sign here where you have to click to create your own new website. A new website. For new website, we have to click on this blank site, start a new site. Okay. At here, a blank site option is there. You have to click on this plus. Can you all see?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I click on that plus one, a blank website platform will get open. Okay, this is the platform where you can design your website. Now, first of all, from where we will start? We will start from by giving a title to our website. Now, we are going to create a website for some college. Okay, modern college. Here, at the left upper side, it is asking us to put the title to the site. Here also we will put a title modern college. Okay. First of all, whenever you are starting to develop your website, you have to do these two things. You have to add title to your website. Now, after that, the first step is to check the settings of the website. Here, a settings button is there. Can you all see at the right upper corner beside the publish button? We can see the settings button. When we will come here, various options are available there, right? The first option is navigation. Can you all see?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Prathamesh? Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
first option is navigation. Navigation means how the menus, the tabs in your website should be visible. Now, here it is selected as top, means what will happen? The menu will come at the top of the menu items will come at the top of the web page, the home page. Okay, means here at the top. And if I select side, then it will come at the left side. They will come at the left side. What type of menu items? The pages, home page, or whatever the pages are there, about us, or whatever things are there. The links to that will come at the sidebar now. If I select side, and if I select here top, then they will come at the top level. Okay, in one single line. Now, from here you can select the color, the background of the title, modern college. If you want to keep it white, then it will become white. Okay. If you want to make it black, it will become black. And if you want to keep transparent, then you can keep it transparent. Three options are there. Okay. We will keep it transparent now. Then among those, this is important one. Okay. If you have created your website, now creating website is not that this one. You can create a website here, but important is how it is going to be searched or how it is going to be made available to other public. So if you want to make it available Will you share this address with others? That go to sites.google.com, then /d/ you can see here the address line 1x dnlp, everything xxx so and so on. Are you going to share this address with everyone, that go to this address and check my website? No, you should have a proper address for your website, and where if you want to create a proper website address, that website address means we call it as domain name. We call it as domain name. If you want to create a domain name for your website like www.ajaykamble.com or www.moderncollege.org, like, so for that purpose we have to go here, we have to check this menu, start setup. Okay, but for that you have to pay, you have to pay to Google for the domain name. For the domain name you have to pay. So whenever you are ready with your website and you want to give it a domain name, then for that purpose you have to visit here, start setup. After that you can start setup from here, and you can give a domain name to your website, a short domain name, so that it can be shared with others easily. Then in analytics, analytics is important from the point of view of checking the visits to your website. How many visits are there? For that purpose, we can use this analytics. Okay. Now you can go to Google Analytics. You have the Google account already with you. Just you have to visit the analytics. You have to create a measurement ID or tracking ID there. You have to put that ID here, and you will get your analytics, means whatever visits are there, how many visits are done, how many visits are done to each page. Every single information you will get in your Google Analytics. Okay, you have to create a ID for that. And where you can create a ID? You can create the ID when you will visit the analytics page, okay, website that is available with Google only. Okay, with the same account, whatever Gmail account you are using. So whenever that ID is ready with you, just put it here and enable analytics. Analytics will get enabled. Okay, so these three things are important from this setting menu. Okay, now we are going to see how how to insert new pages to your website. And before that, we are going to see the various things that you can insert through these menu items, okay, to your main page. Now there are various functions available there. There are various commands available here, okay, and I'm going to show you how to insert them and when we need each of them. It is not important, you can use each of them, but when we need, whatever things we want to do, for that purpose various tools are being made available by Google Sites to us. Now how to use that and when to use that is important in Google Sites. Okay, now first of all I want to put the social links of our modern college. Okay, social links. So a social link button is here. You have to click on that. Okay, and you have to put your social media links. What social media links should be there regarding a college? Can anyone tell me?
It could be a Facebook page or a Twitter page of the college.
Very good. A Twitter page or a Facebook link or a Instagram page, right? So what we will do, when we have clicked on these social links, this menu will get open. Okay. In this menu, two options are there. One is to upload the photo of the social media link, and other is to put the actual link that is there on your Facebook page. Means if there is a Facebook page, then it must have a separate link. You have to copy that link and you have to paste it here. Okay. Shall I show you some link? I will not put the Facebook link here, but I'll put my libraries link here, libraries website. Okay, this is for example, but what you have to put here, you have to put the Facebook page link here. Okay, here you have to upload Facebook. Okay, so I have uploaded a Facebook photo here, for Facebook logo photo here, and you have to paste the Facebook page link here. Okay, again I'll upload Instagram logo. I'll put the same link here because we don't have the Instagram link, any link such right now. We don't have, but you can create. Then Twitter. Okay. In this way, you can add the social media links of your institute or yourself to the website. Now you have to click on insert. After clicking on insert, you can see here these three links are being created. Okay. Now you can keep it in the center also, or you can keep it on the right side here also, or you can keep it on the left side as per your wish. Okay, the menu is available here, which can allow you to keep them as you wish. Okay, so at the beginning, we have put the social links on our website. Okay, understand everyone how to put the social links?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have used the social links button from the menu. Now, I want to put a text. For that purpose, text box is available there. If I want to put some text, I want to put a title. If you want to put something, uh, a text, a complete text or something like that, anything regarding text, for that text box is there. Okay. If you want to upload an image, then image button is there. If you want to put something from your Google Drive, a file you want to share on your website, then Drive link is there. But there are various atoms here also available. Collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel. You must have seen the image carousel on the website. So we will now put a image carousel here. Okay. What image carousel means? Image carousel means which is being used to share image on the home page, and they are being the image automatically changes. The image automatically changes. For that purpose, it needs more than one image. We have to upload more than one image. Means if two images are there, then they automatically will get changed. Slider, we also called it as a image slider, and it is also called as a image carousel. Okay. Now if we will add some images here. Okay. How to add image? You have to click on this plus sign and upload image. I'll select some images that I have already been saved here in one folder. Okay, 4 images I have selected. I have selected all the 4 images at the time. Okay, and I am clicking on open. Now, when I click on open, all these 4 images will come in. Can you all see?
Yes, sir.
If you want to add some more images, you can click on this plus sign and you can add more images to it. If you want to delete, just click on this remove image. This image will get removed. Okay. You can also add text. You can click on this add text and you can also add description to all the photos there. Okay. Now, what is important? We have uploaded the photo. If you will click on insert, those photo will get displayed there on the home page. But what is important? Important is they should automatically get slided, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For that purpose, a setting button is here. Can you all see the setting button? Click on this setting button and click auto start. Okay. After clicking on auto start, transition speed will get open, and here you can select the transition speed. Transition speed means what should be the speed of getting the photo changed on the screen. Okay. You can select various options are there, very slow, medium, and fast. Okay. Very slow, medium, and fast. I'll put it as it is medium. Okay. This is important. If you will not do this process, it will not get slided. Okay. It will be only displayed on your home page. It will not get slide if you will not select this option. Now I'll click on insert. Now the slider is here on your website. Now I am resetting it. I am resetting it to the page. I have set it to the page. I can do changes. We can do changes. You can change the size of this slider. Okay. Now you have put the slider, but the images are not changing. Then what we have to do? For that purpose, we have to check the preview. And for checking the preview button is here. Can you all see a preview button?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I am clicking on preview. And now you can see the images are changing. Can you all see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from this, you can also preview how your website is going to be visible to your users from here. Okay. Now the website is now as per it can be shown on a desktop. How it can be shown on a desktop. Now when I'll click here, this is the tablet view. Okay. How it is going to be displayed on a tablet. And this is the mobile view. How it is going to be displayed on a mobile. Okay. From that preview option, you can see how your website can be reviewed by others. Okay, I'll close this. So you understand two things, the social links and the image carousel, how to insert them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from this, many a times one thinks that there should be a slider there where the current notices should flow from the left and come to there. These things are not available with Google Sites, right? There is no menu here to insert that. thing. Which one? That something is flowing from this side and going to this side, but I have already included in this side. Okay, I'll show it later on. We will first see the other menus. Okay, now after inserting a carousel, we want to put something that is important with our college. So what we will do, we will select those blocks. We can select and we can insert them here directly. Okay, there are various block available there. Six type of different blocks are available, and these are important. Okay, just you should have a creativity where to use which block. Okay, now here I can put an image, and here I can put the text. Here title and the text will be inserted here. Okay, you can make changes also. If you don't want it in the same way, if you want it in a different way, you can change them also. Okay, I can pick it up and put it down here. Okay, I can take this photo in the center. I can change this to the center also. Okay, you can make the changes as you want. You can make the changes as you want. You can put I'll upload some photo here. And I put some title. Okay. In this way, you can create and you can set up it according to your need. Now I need it in a center. It is not looking good on the left side. So I'll put it in a center. Now look, this is the picture and this is the modern college admission, a title and a link to that admission. You can put a link. Now how to put a link? You have to go there, select and just select here, insert link. And you can put a link where your admission form is there. You can put the admission form link here. You can copy there from there and you can paste it here and you will get the direct link to the admission form. Okay. So in this way you can create. Now here also, when we are talking about this, if you are talking about the title is not looking well. What you will do then? You can make the changes from here. You can change the image if you want. You can put some image here or something like. I'll show one example so that it will be easier for you. Okay. Now I have put an image here. You can put any image here or you can create a separate image here or you can reset it also. If it is not looking proper, you can reset it. You can change the header type. If you want it short, you can put it as a title only. You can select as a banner, a large banner, and so on. We will put it as a banner. Now, if you want to change the background, if you don't like the background, ready-made backgrounds are also available there. You can put a background also. You can change the background also. Okay. In this way, you can change the background here, and even if you don't like this modern college only, you can put a detail of your college. You can put an image. Everything is changeable here. You can change. You can insert an image also. If you want, just click on image, upload. Here on the right hand side, image is there. You can go there, check, click on it. It will allow you to upload an image. Select the image. It will come here. Okay. Now just put it there. If some logo is there regarding the college, you can put it here. Okay. And the name, you can shift the name if you want. And so on. So in this way, you can make changes to your title pages. Then you can create those with the help of these menus, which are content blocks. They are being called as content blocks. You can insert them here. Okay. Next thing. Now we are getting bored of this home page. We want a new page to show our creativity. Okay. So we will see how to insert a new page. Okay. Before that, one more important thing is that as you are a developer, you must have some credits there. So you can put your name here at the footer. So for that purpose, just you have to come here and option is there, add footer. Click on that add footer. And you can put whatever things you need. You can put important links here, or you can put the name of the developer here. It is not visible, I think.
Incoming voice call from
Wait.
Ajay.
Increase the size. You can change the color of the menu if you want. Okay, as you want. All the options are available here only. Whenever you are typing, all the options will get displayed here and you can change. If you want to delete, you can delete it also using this last icon. Okay, the bin icon is there to delete, and other icons are as per your Word file icon. Means in Word you may have used B is for bold, I is for italic, U is for underline, A is for color. This is for inserting link. This is for inserting emojis. This is for making it justified, right, left, or center. Okay. If you want to put the bullets, then you can put bullets from here, and you can make a duplicate of it also. Okay, 2 copies. And you can put something else here. At the footer, basically important links and developed by, means copyright is available with. These things are to be included at the footer. And why they are being put at the footer? Because whenever you will add a new page, how many pages you are going to add? 10, 100. On all those pages, this footer will get displayed automatically. You don't have to make a footer for every page. This page will be available, this footer will be available on each pages. Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this way, we can create the home page of the site, website. Okay? You can put other things also if you want to. Okay? But we will check now. We will check how to insert new page. Okay, this is the home page. This is the home page. Now we are going to add pages. For that, beside this insert page and themes, this middle one, pages, on these pages we have to click. Okay, this home page is being displayed here. Only one page is available with our website right now, the home page, what is displayed on the screen. Now there is a plus sign there where some few options are available, right? Whenever I'll put a mouse on there, then options will get displayed. Now, what are these options? The first option, if I want to create a new page, I have to click on where the mouse is right now, where I have put the mouse. Okay. I don't want to create a page, but I want to create a link only. It will be a link like if this is a modern college website, right? And I want to give a link to a separate website is being developed by my librarian, and he has a separate library of his library. Okay. So I want to give a link only to that library's website. So what I will do, I'll just create a link. What I'll create? A link. Okay. For that purpose, new link option is there. Then the third option, full page embed. Now you can embed a full page. Now this is a technical word. I'll not go in details, because what you have to do here, you can insert or you can take a full page from somewhere, from a document file, uh, from a Excel file, from a PDF, which is available in your Google Drive, and you can directly embed. You can directly show it on a separate page here. Okay, it will directly get embedded here. Then the new menu section means creating a new menu. If you want to create a new menu, then one more section is there to create, but that is not important. We will see how to create a new page first. Okay. I'll click on this new page, means the same where I am. After clicking on that new page, a menu, sub menu will get displayed, and it will ask me what name you are going to give to your new page. So I'll give about us, okay? And then in advance, custom path is there if you want to do, but I don't want to do any custom path. Okay, about us, and click on done. Done is here. Okay, I'm clicking on done. Now a new page is being created, home, and the second page is about us. Okay, home and the second page is about us. Okay, and at the bottom in the footer, you can see that important links are being displayed here. Okay, in about us, now under about us, if you want to create some pages, about us is your main page, and if I want to create some more link, because now look here, about us is there. Now I want to create some sub pages under this about us page. Okay, what you have to do here, about us is being written, after that 3 dots are there. Can you all see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If we click on these 3 dots, you can see a sub menu where an option is there where it is written add sub page. You have to click on this add sub page, and you have to put the name of your sub page here. I'll put principals message. Okay. Then I'll also create one more sub page named as management. Okay. Now you can see here on your website, under about us, 2 sub menus are ready, 2 sub pages are ready. Okay, principal message management. So you can create sub pages like this, and they will get displayed here. Okay, you can add more number of subpages down there. Just you have to click on these three dots, add subpage, and you can create. Okay, clear how to add subpages?
Yes.
Okay. Now principal's message is ready here. Principal message page is ready here. We will put something here. Okay. We have to go to insert for that. Okay, insert tab here. Under insert tab, I'll select what we have to insert here, principal's message. For that purpose, I'll select something like this. Okay, I have selected this block. Okay, first block here. What we are going to put here? We are going to put the name of the principal and his message. But message will be long. So for that purpose, we have to make some settings. We will change some setting here. We will take it down as we have taken down at the home page. Then we will put it at the center. We will increase the size. Okay, it is not getting increased. Let me check. Yeah. We will put it in the center. Now here you have to put the name of the principal. Principal XYZ. Right? I have put the name of the principal, just I have typed, I have put it in the message. This is a demo message. Can you all see? I'll increase the size for you. Okay. I am copying that message because the principal is giving the message, it should be bigger. And I'll put this and I'll make it center. Okay. So this is principal's name. This is his message. And now what we need? We need a photo. So we will upload a photo here. Okay. So on the principal page, we can upload a photo, principal, and we can put a message here. If this space is not okay, you can increase the space also. Okay. You can increase it. You have to delete this and you have to insert new space here. And how you are going to do that? Just insert a text box. Okay. And put all this here. Make it center. Okay. You can create a text box also and create that message. And you can now okay, it is not removable because it is attached now. So because of that, it is not removable from here, but you can remove it. Yeah. Just wait. Yeah. Now the two things are being separated from each other. Now you can set the principal's name and the message as you want. Yeah, at the center. And this is his message. Okay. Like this, you can create the pages. You can insert images as you want, and you can make the changes. It is as simple as working on a Word document. Okay. In the same way, we have created a list of committees. I'll show you the next page. In pages section, management page we have created, right? Now on management page, what we need just the name and photo of the management. So we will click on this one. We will select this content block, the last one. Okay, what we will put here? Name of the president, whatever president is. Okay, I'll put only president here. Then chairman, secretary, and treasurer. Okay, and we will put some their pics here. Like this. You just has to click on this plus, upload, select the photo, and you have to write their names at the down. Okay. If some more members are there and you want to insert their photos also, just click here at the down space. Okay. Just click here. And select one more content block. So one more content block will be available and you can post their photos and details here. Okay, clear? You can increase the size of this font also. If it is not visible, check. Like this. Okay. So you can insert the pics of the management page here like this. So you have to use, it is upon you how you are going to develop, how you are going to develop the page. Okay. Now, apart from these content blocks, some more buttons are there. Images, I have already shown you how to insert image. Okay. Text box, I have already shown you. Then drive, how to insert a file. For that purpose, we will create one more page here. Under pages, we will click on home and we will create one more page. If you will not click on home, then a sub page will be created. If your cursor is here, already been selected. Then if you click on plus, then a sub page will get created. So for that purpose, if you want to create a page, you have to click on home first and then click on new page. Okay. Now,
Sorry to interrupt, Ajay sir. I just wanted to inform you that there are only 5 minutes left to wind up the meeting. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So we have inserted a new page here. Now we are going to see how to use a file from, how to insert a file from drive here directly. Okay. Now I'm going to use it. For that purpose, you have to click on drive so that your drive will get opened here. And here you have to select the file which you are going to share. Now I'm going to share this file here. Okay, this photo on my file. And then I have to click on insert. The photo is directly being shared here. You can set it as you want and you can display it. You can directly get files from your drive. You don't have to go there, insert or do other things. Okay. Apart from this, if you want to insert a YouTube video, okay, just go click on this YouTube, search for video. Directly here, select that video and click on select. The YouTube video will directly get insert. Okay. apart from this, one more important thing, how to use this table of contents is important. Table of contents. For that purpose, I'll create one more page here. Okay. Now, if you have something that is in the text form, I'll check if I have something in a text form. Yeah. If there is something text like this, you want to insert on the page, just copy it. And click on insert text box and paste it here. Okay, I have pasted it here. Now, I have to use the table of contents because I don't want to scroll it every time because it may be having more pages. It may be a huge content that is having 10 pages or something like that, and it is having titles there. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on this table of contents. And after clicking on table of contents, what will happen? The main pages where titles are there will get automatically copied here. And you will get it with links also. How? I'll show you. Now, if you will click on this paragraph, okay, clicking is not available in preview mode. So whenever you will click on these links, you will directly go to that paragraph or that section of the page. Okay, so in this way you can use the table of content part. Okay, the table of content will automatically get created here. Okay, in the end, I'll just show you how to insert the running text here on the home page. Okay, and then we will wind up. So for that purpose, you have to copy some text. You should be able to know some HTML code. You don't be able to know. There are some ready-made HTML codes available which you can insert in your website and you can create a running text. Now here I will try to create a running text. For that I have some codes with me, ready-made codes that I'll share with Sandhya ma'am later on, after this lecture. Okay. I'll just copy this code. Okay. After copying this code, I will go back to our website. Here, embed option is there. In embed, you have to click on this embed option, and embed code is here. Okay, you don't have to click by URL. You have to click on embed code and you have to paste that code here. After pasting that code, click on next. And you can see that the text is scrolling, but the text is scrolling from left to right. We don't want it from left to right. We want it from right to left. So I'll just put it left. So it will start running from left to right, and then I'll insert. We have inserted this here, but we need it at the top here. So what we will do, we'll just pick it up and make it to the size of the page. Okay, in this way you can put a scrolling text in your website at the top. If you want to change the message that is running on here, just click on it and change this simple scrolling text. Okay, I have put this is demo notice and save. So this is demo notice. Okay, understand everyone? So in this way you can,
Yes.
if you have a creative mind, you can create a website, you can put different pages, you can put different themes, you can put different things, and you can also put GIFs as per your need in your website. Okay, rest I'll left it to you people, how much creativity you use in your website. So thank you. That is all from my side. Thank you, everyone. And over to you, Sidra.
Yeah. So on behalf of Harshu Advani College, I would like to thank you, Sir Dr. Ajay M. Kamble, for this contribution in the session and for enlightening us about Google website. It will definitely be helpful for future references, and it was really interesting. I really got to learn a lot from you, and I'm sure everybody else did so. So I bring the session to an end and will now stop recording. Thank you. And just I want